If you're wondering how to clean the Instant Pot Instant Chill and if it's even easy to clean, in this video I'm going to show you how quickly you can actually clean this machine. Now there's just 4 parts that come with this machine. Basically, besides the base, you have the bowl right here, which is where you made your ice cream. Now it could be a little stuck, so I'm going to use 2 hands in a moment to pry this off because underneath it's actually frozen. So all I have to do is either wait a moment or just give it a little force. So I'm going to take this off. There we go. Now this is the chilling plate. Now you would also make rolled ice cream on here. If you're making rolled ice cream, you actually cannot submerge this part. So you would have to just wash this by hand and then give it a nice little clean. But if you're making the regular ice cream, you just need to wash the bowl. Now washing the bowl is super easy. I'm gonna get a little scrubber in just a second, but I don't even really need to scrub a whole lot because just even in that little amount of water, it's basically clean and ready to go. Now the next parts that you have to clean are the turning blade, the lid, but one thing you do not want to submerge in water or even clean is this part, which is the motor. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that now. All right, I got the motor off, but there's a little bit of ice cream on there. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe that off, and that's it. I'm gonna set this aside though so that it doesn't get wet. Now the other things that I just need to clean really quickly are the lid. And look how easy, I mean, this is why I bought the InstantChill, because of how easy it is to clean. Some of the other devices are like a bigger machine that kind of look a little more difficult to clean. I haven't tested those yet, but this one, just by looking at it, you can tell is really easy to clean. And I'm gonna use a little soap, but after that, that's it. Well, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm sharing a whole bunch of InstantChill ice cream recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.